Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with another make and freeze and store recipe, that is almond milk recipe. For that I am taking 2 cups of almonds. Nicely soak it overnight. Overnight soaking is best for making this recipe. See how nicely you can peel off. Nicely wash it and peel the almonds. Now I will be grinding this almond with 2 cups of water, or even more if you want, you can use it. Nicely use extra water to blend very fine. Nicely give it a good blend so that it is thin and fine paste. See, now the paste is ready. Next I will be taking 2 cups of sugar. I had white sugar and this turbinated cane sugar also, so I took both together, 1 cup. You can take any sugar, 2 cups for the 2 cups of water, or even a little bit more. We don't want any lumps in between, so keep generous water. When the sugar comes to a boil, at that time I am adding the almond paste. Nicely give it a good mix. When you are preparing this almond paste, do not move away from the stove. Keep stirring it continuously and keep the flames medium to low. I added 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is the flavoring I am going to add. If you want, you can also add saffrons, but I am not going to add. I have kept it very simple. Sugar, almond and cardamom. This is the flavor. Nicely, when it comes to this type of boil, at that time you can off. Anyway, if it is boiling this way, off it. Leave it for some time. It will automatically become thick. See how thick the paste is ready now. You can store it in 2 ways. Either you can store it as frozen cubes, or you can store it as such liquid in the bottle. I'll show you both the ways. These frozen cubes are very good and helpful for making the milkshakes. So frozen will also be a nice treat for the iftar recipe. In iftar, if you want almond milkshake, these cubes are very helpful. After I have prepared the cubes, now I am just filling up the jar and I will keep this in the fridge. The frozen one will be in the freezer. This will be in the fridge. See, now frozen all cubes, I have packed it in the Ziploc and I will be keeping it in the freezer. We used to make traditional recipe, that is harira. For that reason I use that bottled almond puree, which will be kept in the fridge. At night time after iftar, when you're going to bed, nice warm cup of harira will be very soothing and refreshing for you, will give nice good sleep. For that reason, I will be just heating the milk, nice hot milk, and just 3 tablespoons of our almond mix in a jar. I am mixing it with hot milk. Don't need to mix any flavoring or any sweetener. Just add this almond puree. To that, add nice warm or hot milk, and your harira or hot almond milk is ready for bedtime. This ice cubes, 2 of the almond cubes are enough for 1 large glass. To that I am adding some milk. This is cold milk, not warm milk, and in a blender you can blend it. Instant almond milkshake is ready in the iftar for you. See how quick and easy we can make all these almond recipes, either hot or cold, for iftar or suhoor. It will be always ready if you make it and freeze it and store it in the fridge. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.